Yeah, we've got a bit of 1/2-inch brass bar here I can use to make a little pipe fitting out of. It's not quite on center, fanny's hair below. Like that. You want 8mm. Just about there. Lovely. We need a hole in there that the pipe will fit into. I've just measured the pipe and I actually ordered and paid for 1/4 and they've sent 6mm. I know it's near but it's not right, is it? I'm going a bit deeper because I want to make 2 of these at the same time. Just put a light cut on there to clean it up. It is 1/2 inch long as well, and it'll look symmetrical. It'll look shorter on the drone. That looks better. I'm just going to try the pipe in there before. I should take it right off. There's a little rag on the end of it. Right, that's just nice, lovely. Taking the end up. Put a little shampoo on it. So it looks like somebody actually cared what they're doing. Get that tool in there, should be able to do. Right, I've got this stand on a fire brick, it's nice and clean. I'm going to silver solder it together. Got some flux cover silver solder here, which is really nice stuff to use. Right. getting near temperature now, very near. There it goes. Ah, you bastard, you! One thing's back in, gone back to where we were. Just a paper solar in now. Helps to clean the flux off. Bastard, I'm sick of picking those things up. Right, that's nicely swirled, isn't it, there, eventually. Annoying that was, very. Right, that looks much better than the horrible needle valves he supplied. You see where I'm sort of going now. I've got the spindle to make and a little brass wheel for the top. But basically it's, of course I've got towing to do as well. Well, not too bad at all. Right, these are the car boot sale finds today. I'll take them out and have a look and see exactly what's in there. Right, this is basically what we've got today. They're wad punches, good for cutting gaskets out. Not quite sure, there's two parallel type things there that actually fit together. Machine faces. Sure somebody will tell us exactly what they are. They're parallels, but I'm not quite sure why they're like that. And they only fit together one way and fit together really nicely. Another parallel. That's basically what I wanted to buy. I lifted that out. I said, how much is that? And he said £4. And then he said for the lot. So I brought them all home. There's two machinist jacks there. They've been handmade. They're probably an apprentice's project. They're definitely going to be for the giveaway. Quite nice. Nice to use handmade tools like that. No idea, I've never looked. Slipstones used for sharpening lathe tools up. They've been used a lot. You can see how much wears on the box. Nice. I'm pleased I found these because if the lad only wanted £4 for them, they were going to get skipped, you know. Centre punch. Being used a lot, so it must be a good one. That's probably keeping that. And my one most taper. I think that's a wood butchering tool, I'm not sure. Feeler gauges, Imperial. And I use these for a long time. 25 thou was your plug gap, 12 thou tappets, and 15 thou punch gap. I'm sure some of you lads will know what them sizes relate to. A homemade drill of some description, nice and sharp. Somebody's made that. Another parallel, a B leader on it, stamped on it. Nicely drawn parallel. Another centre punch, nice fine one. Once again, well used. I'm definitely going to keep that. It'll save us using taps for centre punches. And some spanners here, 18mm, 7/16, 9/16. That's the best one. Halford's Pro spanner, 10mm. That's worth a £5 at least. I'll be keeping that. That's a nice spanner, it's brand new. Little square, engineer's square, been handmade. I check it, see how good it is, but it's a nice handmade bit of gear. Another parallel piece of ground steel. Oh, that's nice. Centre drill with an extension on the real small one. I haven't got one as small as that. I don't know how long that's going to last, but that's exactly what it is, a small centre drill. Big Allen key of dubious quality. Set of Allen keys. Imperial as well, I'll be able to keep them 5/32, all proper sizes. That'll be empty, it's had a drill in it. Oh, there's not a little, look at them little bastards in there. Focusing. Look at them little, well, what we used to call carburetor jet drills. They're good for putting holes in black fingernails. That's a real score, that. And the last thing is a little screwdriver. So you never know, it's well worth going to a car boot sale. There is one more item I bought. I bought it for Deb actually, and I paid a tenner for it. I might as well show you that when I'm on. Right, that's the last item, like an ornament, coal miner. Got his pick there and his safety lamp. It's quite heavy. It is made of some sort of brass material. Very nice. See, I bought it for Deb. Well, sitting that I'm interested in mining as well. I just like the look of it. It'll go on the shelf with me. Safety lamp. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It's very important. I am getting near to 100,000 subscribers. That's why every now and then on my videos you'll see something flick on the screen and say subscribe. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. Anyway, thanks for watching.